March first week. We are entering into March. So this is my 3 pairs which I'm going to focus. It's going to be totally a swing trades, but I think I will take AUD 15 minutes internal trade. Okay, let me explain. This is AUD USD. Why I am currently bullish in this week, not overall but currently. Let me explain. We changed the character here. We came up. We can 4 hours. Let me see clear. Okay, let me clear the CPR indicator. Okay, we just broke this high and that's a BOS, and we created a swing high, and next we came down and we broke the low. That means we changed the character to the downside. Now we have a trend line. Okay, this is trend line, and you can say it's a trend line liquidity too. Okay, why I am bullish now? After a 4 hours change of character, market needs to correct. Okay, correction, then we will sell off. And I have two confluence. Let me go to CPR indicator and show monthly pivots. Okay, and I will go to 1 hour so you can see it clearly. And what it's showing is we have a monthly pivot area here, plus we have a supply at this 50% and 0.618, and we have extreme supply. Total we have 3 zones. Okay, so now in 15 minutes, if we go into internal structure, we can clearly see we broke down, we changed the character down, and we came down and we come up to broke the structure up. So internal trend is up. Okay, and we have a trend line. This is my old trading setup which I used to take. Trend line, breaking the trend line and retesting the trend line, something like that. And I'm bullish because we are having a CPR. Okay, above CPR is bullish, below CPR is bearish, like that. It's a little bit complicated, but I use as a general area to find the support and resistance. Okay, now we can clearly understand with extra confluence. Okay, I'm adding the CPR indicator. Thanks to Gomadi Shankar to teach me this CPR indicator. And let me go to depth. Okay, which break the structure, and we can come to here. We can just change here, and we can do whatever. And I'm bullish in this area below this 50%. After that, we can come up and we want to respect the each lows. Okay, to be going up. My overall swing entry will be selling here, a swing entry. Why I am selling at this extreme? Because we are having a strong resistance here, which is a monthly resistance. Okay, so I'm expecting it won't happen coming week, so I'm bullish in this week. I'm expecting a swing entry from here to this swing low. Okay, this is AUD trade, and it's same confluence with Euro AUD trade. Okay, let me off the CPR. Okay, I explained in this my previous video. Here I couldn't take Y after this break of structure because I took 2 losses and I couldn't enter in this good entry here. So now I'll explain it why I'm bullish in this trade. Okay, we changed the break of we changed the character here, and next we broke the structure above here. Okay, and we have a strong demand here, and it may act as a liquidity too. Okay, it may act liquidity, but I have additional confluence called CPR. Okay, it's a monthly CPR which I am seeing right now, and you can clearly see a monthly support here, which is the last demand which broke this high. See, we created 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th time we broke here, and each time we are breaking the lows, and we are coming into deep into this same demand. So this demand creates a strong demand, so we are breaking this. I am expecting simply is we have extreme demand with the swing low is here and the swing high is here. Okay, we had an internal change of character here, So we are having liquidity and we are having a CPR. Okay, it may still react and come down, but it's overall swing. So I'm expecting market to be this buy. Okay, why I'm currently bearish in Euro AUD? Because AUD is bullish. Okay, so that quote currency will be less strong. Euro is bullish. Oh, it's a little bit complicated. We may range. Okay, what if this setup happens? I will take buy here. I'm a little bit confused in the correlation. And I have another pair GBP. Okay, same simple, same thing. Okay, we broke the structure down and we have extreme zones and we are consolidating. I didn't took any trade in this consolidation. I'm so happy. And I use this CPR indicator. We have a monthly CPR and we are having a strong support at this 50% area. So you can clearly see GBP used to go to this extreme zones and to reverse. Okay, this is the high which created this low and we came up without, see how ranging is this, and it's doing the same thing. Okay, and we came to that extreme supply and started to come down. Even though we came down one more time, we started to come up. Okay, and we started when we created a supply here. Okay, so I'm expecting it to be bearish too. But what I am missing, what I am currently seeing is there is no liquidity here. Okay, so this I am thinking I want to reevaluate this. But why now I'm this swing entry is based on, because every time the GBP goes to the swing highs, it is doing some kind of ranging or what. I really don't know what is happening. What it's respecting is this highs. So my entry will be around the CPR support or it's a resistance, and I'll keep my SL above here and target this lows. And I couldn't see any liquidity, so I am thinking it may liquidate my highs too. I want to be careful. Straight overall AUD this week I'm trying to buy this, and you can see this. Okay, trend line breakout, retest and going up. Okay, so I'm focusing on AUD this week, not to focus on these pair. Yeah, every pair has its own thing. Okay, see this is also having this thing, but I'm little confused. Okay, Canadian dollar, are we going to reject from here? Are you going to reject from here? Because all this pair I get a good confluence with, including the CPR indicator, this 3. Okay, this is also a trade which we changed the character down. We have a CPR and we have a CPR resistance above the swing high. It is a good trade too. Okay, I'm not saying I'm not going to focus, but these are my higher priority state. AUD this week buy, Euro AUD, if this come to this particular demand, going to buy. GBUSD, if this come to this particular supply, I'm going to sell this 3, and I'm going to take this trade without fail, because I have confluence. Even though some trade may hit SL, these are good trades. These are my setups. I'm going to take it. I'm not going to regret after taking 2 SL or even 2 TP hits. It's okay. I learned my lesson previous week, so I'm going to take my trades.